What if I told you that right now, beneath your feet, above your head and all around you, live creatures with superpowers that would make comic book heroes jealous? Warriors that can lift 850 times their body weight, assassins with chemical weapons that reach 212 degrees, and masters of invisibility with wings like living glass. Welcome to the hidden world of insects, where the impossible becomes everyday reality. Deep in the steaming jungles of Southeast Asia, something extraordinary is about to emerge. For months, this creature has been transforming, but what emerges will shock you. Meet the Atlas moth. With wings spanning nearly a foot across, it's larger than many birds. But here's the incredible truth. This giant I cannot eat. Not a single drop of nectar, not one leaf. It has no mouth that works. It has exactly 2 weeks to find a mate before it starves to death. Every second counts in this race against time. Picture paradise, where delicate orchids dance in the warm breeze. But look closer. That's not a flower. It's a killer in disguise. The orchid mantis has evolved the perfect deception. Even bees can't tell the difference. Watch as it changes color like a chameleon, matching the flowers around it. The bees come looking for nectar, but find death instead. In the heart of Africa lives a creature so powerful, it defies belief, the Goliath beetle. In its larval stage, it weighs as much as a mouse, making it one of the heaviest insects on Earth. But its true power lies in its strength. Watch this. 850 times its own body weight. That's like you lifting a fully loaded airplane with your bare hands. When titans clash, only the strongest survive. Never judge a book by its cover, especially when that book is a living weapon. This ant is about to learn why the Bombardier Beetle is feared across the insect world. In a fraction of a second, 2 chemicals mix in a special chamber, creating a reaction that reaches 212 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a living flamethrower. With pinpoint accuracy, the ant learns a lesson it won't soon forget. Beneath the tranquil surface, death waits. The giant water bug. 5 inches of pure predator. In the water, it's virtually unstoppable. Watch as it injects its victim with digestive enzymes, liquefying its prey from the inside out. Then it simply drinks its dinner. But here's the twist. It's the males who become the caring fathers, carrying their young to safety. 70 million years before humans discovered agriculture, these creatures had already mastered it. Leafcutter ants. They don't eat the leaves they cut, they farm with them. Deep underground, they tend gardens of fungus, their only food source. Different-sized workers have different jobs. The tiny ones even act as living pesticides, keeping harmful molds away from their precious crops, all serving their queen in a society more complex than many human civilizations. What if you could become invisible, not through magic, but through evolution? The glasswing butterfly has achieved what humans can only dream of: perfect transparency. Its wings contain microscopic structures that bend light around them, nature's own cloaking device, but don't let its delicate appearance fool you. Those invisible wings can carry 40 times its own body weight. Ghosts of the rainforest, seen but never truly seen. Some creatures are so beautiful, they seem too perfect for this world. The jewel beetle doesn't just wear armor, it wears liquid metal. Its shell shifts through impossible colors, greens, blues, golds. So convincing is its metallic sheen, males sometimes mistake beer bottles for potential mates. Through eyes that see the world in ways we can't imagine, every surface becomes a potential mirror. In the Amazon rainforest, size matters. The Titan beetle, 6.5 inches of pure dominance, the largest beetle on Earth. Those jaws can snap pencils and fingers. But here's the mystery. Adults never eat. They exist only to mate. Their larvae have never been found. Some say they're the size of sausages, growing inside massive trees for years. The evidence is there, but the creatures remain ghosts of the forest floor. In the deepest jungles, beauty and terror become one, the devil's flower mantis. King of all mantids, when threatened it reveals its true nature. Like a demon emerging from paradise, it transforms from flower to nightmare in seconds. Despite its fearsome appearance, it's actually gentle, a master of disguise, hiding in plain sight. Deep in the Amazon lives pain itself, the bullet ant, 1 inch long, but its sting feels like being shot. Some Amazon tribes use them in manhood rituals, where boys must endure hundreds of stings to become men. The pain can last 24 hours, earning it the nickname the 24-hour ant. In the trees, it's a solitary hunter, using its legendary weapon to take down prey many times its size. What you're about to see will challenge everything you think you know about evolution. The stalk-eyed fly, its eyes are weapons. Males measure each other, literally. The longer the eye stalks, the more attractive to females. But this isn't just for show. Those extended eyes provide superior vision, making them better hunters, better survivors. In the insect world, sometimes the strangest adaptations lead to the greatest success. Look at this tree. See anything unusual? Those aren't thorns, they're treehoppers. 3,200 species of living art. Some look like medieval helmets, others like alien spacecraft. Some like abstract sculptures. These bizarre decorations aren't just for show. They're armor, camouflage, and communication devices all in one. They turn their entire bodies into musical instruments, creating vibrations that travel through plants. Every night, while you sleep, ancient navigators use the stars to find their way. The dung beetle. Don't let its humble diet fool you. This is a creature of extraordinary abilities. First, it's the strongest creature on Earth. This is equivalent to you pulling 6 double-decker buses. But here's the incredible part. It navigates using the Milky Way, the only insect known to use celestial navigation. Scientists proved it. These tiny creatures are reading the galaxy itself. Sometimes, nature creates something so beautiful. It seems almost too perfect to be real. The rosy maple moth. It looks like it was designed by someone who fell in love with cotton candy. But this living artwork has secrets. Its caterpillar is equally stunning, neon green with a bright red head, like a tiny alien creature. Males can detect females from miles away, using antennae that look like tiny ferns. What you're watching is the most successful predator on Earth. The dragonfly, 95% hunting success rate. Lions catch less than 30% of their prey. 4 wings working independently, allowing it to fly backwards, sideways, hover, and even fly upside down. Its wings are self-cleaning, covered in tiny spikes that literally tear bacteria apart. With 30,000 individual lenses, it sees the world in ways we can't imagine. In the American desert, not everything is what it seems. This looks like an ant, but it's actually a wasp, a velvet ant, also known as the cow killer. The name isn't exaggerated. Females are wingless, but their sting is so powerful, folklore says it could kill a cow. They're parasites, searching for the nests of other insects, where they'll lay their eggs inside living hosts. That beautiful fur is actually armor, nearly impossible to crush. On an island where time stands still, lives a creature from another age, the giant WETA, the heaviest insect in the world. This one weighs more than a sparrow, but despite its intimidating size, it's completely harmless. A gentle vegetarian. Flightless for millions of years, it's lived unchanged since the time of the dinosaurs. These living fossils remind us that not all giants need to be feared. Hidden among the flowers is a creature with abilities that defy physics. The praying mantis, master of patience and impossible movement. Watch this. It can turn its head almost completely around. No other insect can do this. When it strikes, it's faster than the blink of an eye. Those forelegs are like bear traps, covered in razor-sharp spines. It has only one ear, located on its chest. Scientists still don't understand how it locates sound so precisely. For our penultimate creature, we present nature's own living rainbow, the rainbow shield bug. Its armor doesn't just protect, it dazzles. Those colors aren't paint. They're created by the microscopic structure of its shell, bending light like a prism. Every movement creates a new masterpiece, a living jewel that outshines any human creation, proof that sometimes the smallest creatures create the greatest beauty. While technically not an insect but a crustacean, the peacock mantis shrimp deserves mention for its incredible abilities. These colourful marine creatures possess the most powerful punch in the animal kingdom. Their club-like front claws strike 50 times faster than a bullet and with enough force to break glass. Their purple eyes can move independently and contain at least 12 types of photoreceptors, allowing them to see in colour vision, polarised light, and even ultraviolet. This gives them one of the most sophisticated visual systems in the animal kingdom, far surpassing human vision. Despite their small size, 1.2 to 7.1 inches, they can kill prey much larger than themselves. From the chemical warriors to the gentle giants, from the invisible hunters to the rainbow artists, these creatures share our world. Next time you step outside, remember, you're entering a world of superheroes, where the impossible is just another day in the life of an insect. The question isn't whether aliens exist. They're already here. They've been here for 400 million years. And they're more incredible than anything we've ever imagined.